Hello and welcome back to Run the Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you what happens the first time you log in to the domain. Well, in our last video, we created a user called Rita Chirabo, and we instructed the server that when Rita Chirabo logs in to the domain for the first time, she has to change the password. And now we want to experience that protocol or that procedure that we provided to the server. So when you go here on our server, when you go to users over here, you can see down here we have a user called Rita Chirabo. Is a user, okay? Is a user and is a part of the is a member of the domain user, so he has no privilege at all, but it's just a user in the domain. So we instructed the server to require Chirabo to change the password. As you can see here, the user must change the password at the next logon. So if you didn't see that video where I created or I added Chirabo to the domain, will I have a link or have a video on my page that takes you through the steps to create a user or add a user to the domain. So in this video, we're going to use Chirabo to log in for the first time using our client 1 TX Win10 VM. Alright, so we're gonna go over here to our computer and then we're gonna change. In this case, we will not use Run the Tech. We'll use other users, and then when we say other users, you have to provide the username for Rita Chirabo. So this is her username, R Chirabo. Then you provide the password. You make sure that you send the details you used, the username and then the password you used to create the user in the domain. So she will use those credentials, the password and the username, to log in for the first time. Then afterwards, the server will prompt Chirabo to change the password. Okay? Alright, let's go on there. R Chirabo. Then we'll provide the password. Okay? Then press enter. As you can see the prompt, the server is telling Chirabo the user's password must be changed before signing in. So when we press OK, then the server will take us through the steps to change the password. Like we experienced over here, like I said, if you say that the user cannot change the password, the user will not change the password. If you say the user must change the password at the next logon, so yes, this is what now we are experiencing at the moment using the client computer. And we'll press OK. And as you can see, it says put in your new password. Okay, so Chirabo, now we are pretending to be Chirabo. Now we're gonna put in or create a new password for our account. Alright, we'll add on password. Okay, so we're gonna put in a new password for Chirabo. Itachi level wants to ensure that the password meets the convention or the set limits of the password policy for the server. Okay, so that's the password we put for Chirabo. Okay, then we press enter. So now the server is telling us that your password has been changed. Then press OK. Now you see we've contacted the server, and then the server has created a Retouch Labs account on this client computer 1, and then now it's taking us through the steps of creating the folders and then creating the profile for Chilabo on this client computer. It will take some time, but we'll wait for it and then see how it goes. So it's trying to create now the profile for Chilabo on the domain and then on this very computer, so that when she logs in the next time on that computer, there will be no need to create the profile for her. She will just log in and then she will go straight to the desktop and then wherever she wants to go. So we give time to the computer to do its stuff. We're trying to talk to the server. The client computer is trying to talk to the server. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So yeah, we leave everything to the computer and then it will do its stuff. First we'll be waiting the welcoming page. That's all. Okay. Now the profile for Chirabo has been created on this client computer, and that's how it looks, the screen. So let's try and finish up. Let's go here and see. As you can see, our user is Rita Chilabo. So Rita Chilabo now is a user on this computer, and then he's part of, or she's part of the domain. Okay, so this is a computer, and then this is her profile. Let's see if you can see Tachilabo. You see, this is her email, itachilabo @run-the-tech.local. Let's see how we can manage my profile. So it says you need to activate the window bar. So I wanted to show you how Rita Chilabo the profile looks like. That's how it is. There's no picture of Rita Chilabo, her email. So that's what I wanted to show you, how you experience the first logon on the computer. Oh wow, someone who is first logging into the server will experience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.